Tehama County District 3 Supervisor Pati Nolen is being charged with misconduct by the Tehama County Grand Jury. The North States News' Tyler Van Dyke spoke with Tehama County District Attorney Matt Rogers today about the accusation. He joins us now live with what Rogers had to say, along with Nolen's response. Tyler?
Ariana, the grand jury undertook an extensive investigation as part of their final consolidated report for 2024 to 2025 into the dysfunction of the Board of Supervisors and county administration, which led them to accuse Supervisor Nolen of willful and corrupt misconduct in office. The first step in potentially removing Nolen from her position on the board.
This is a sad day for this county. It really is. And it is truly tragic that we are dealing with this. This isn't something that we as a county should be having to deal with.
After an 8-month investigation, the outgoing Tehama County Civil Grand Jury, comprised of 19 county residents annually appointed by the Superior Court to serve as grand jurors and citizen watchdogs over local government, accused District 3 Supervisor Pati Nolen of willful and corrupt misconduct in office. The first step in potentially removing Nolen from her position on the Board of Supervisors, citing several violations.
They discovered that Supervisor Nolen had been secretly recording confidential closed sessions. She admitted that to our investigators. She had taken a packet of confidential documents from a closed session that related to an employee evaluation. The grand jury discovered that, and they also discovered that she had an alcoholic beverage with her during a board meeting.
The jury saying in their accusation that Nolen deliberately lied and misled the media and public regarding her use of that alcoholic beverage on county property, as well as filed retaliatory false police reports, saying each of these acts constitute potential criminal violations ranging from misdemeanors to felonies, saying she would be subject to a quasi-criminal trial.
So if convicted, she would be removed from office. That would be the remedy. And when it says quasi-criminal, that means the standard rules of criminal procedure apply to the case.
Rogers says to his knowledge, this accusation by the grand jury is not something that has been done in the county before. In response to the allegations, Nolen sent us a statement that reads in part, quote, "There were no complaints filed against me, not until I spoke up, not until I began asking hard questions, not until the now infamous DUI call, a call that has since evolved in a full-scale campaign to remove me from this seat without due process, without counsel, and without the basic decency of transparency. I was elected by the people and I intend to stay seated. I love Tehama County and its citizens who I serve. I will not stand idly by as others defraud this county to enrich their friends. I look forward to my day in court," end quote. Rogers states Nolen was given notice today by the DA's office to appear in Tehama County Superior Court on August 12th at 8:30 in the morning to answer to the accusations. Nolen had a lot more to say in her long statement. You can find the full-length statement on our website, krcrtv.com. Tyler Van Dyke, the North States News.